I'm going to show you the administrator function here. So you would go to administrator. So mainly the administrator will set up the system, the menu, user, and restaurant info, stuff like that. So the first thing I want to show you is the setup. So you will set up the delivery charge, tax percentage, the restaurant opening time and the close time, and then this is the header that will get print at the check. And let me show you. So these are the headers, and these are the footer, and you can change that easily, and you can remove the message entirely. So let's say you want to change it for 20% off, and you can just save it. And you can add another user. Let's say you want to add another, give it the password, and what kind of user he's going to be, just user manager admin, and then you would just save it. Or save it or update it is really the same thing. So you can update the password if you want. So you can just update the password, and it will confirm you. So the next thing is the menu. So this is the menu that will show up at the ordering screen. Let me show you. So this information is based on this table here. So you can see that the drains, it will be like a 0, so it show up at the first category, and so on. So this is the category. This is the ordering, and this is the full name. This is the short name, and this is the Chinese, and this is the price, and this is the printer destination. So B stand for bar, and P stand for packing area, and K stand for kitchen, and then A stand for appetizer area. So say this item here, it will send to packing, appetizer, and kitchen. So let me show you how easy it is to add an order or to change something. Let's say I want to change the price of the Coke. I want to change it like maybe just $10, so you remember. So let's say I want to add a category. So let's say I want to do open, and give a number so that it will put it into like the category position here. So maybe I want to put it after the combo. So these are sorted by the number here. So you can see that I can put in 91. So it will go between 90 and 97. Let's say 91. 91. I say this is I call it open item. I call it open item, and you just give it like a Chinese character. In this case, I just give it like open item, and I will give it like price of 0, and I will have this go into the packing area, appetizer area, kitchen area, and bar area. I just want to show you, it will go into those areas. So after you are done, you can basically just save or update. So again, it will confirm you the item that you are modifying. So you're modifying this and added this. Okay. One thing is once you have changed the menu, you have to reboot the system in order to pick it up. So let me show it to you here. So you can see that so I have to open here, and if you hit the cook, it will be like $10. So let's say if you do the open item here, so that's what I just type in, and then you can modify this item, and you can just say something else. Say with chicken, I charge you like, let's say $20. Okay, so you have a new item. So when you do the send, it will get printed. It's doing print screen instead of going out to the printer because I reset the system, and I need to change a flag for the simulation model. So by default, it's like a simulation model. It will just print it instead of going out to the printer. I need to set this, yeah. So I have to make that order. I need to change the status of that order in order to print it again. So let's try it. I go into manager. That's the last one. And then I just change it to view. Okay, I just updated that. So let me record this order, and you can see the status is filled now, so I can send. So you can see that this is the packing. This is the packing ticket. You know, cook. So cook will send to the box because this is a takeout order. It will print everything at the packing area. So this is the packing, and this is the appetizer, kitchen, and the bar. So that's how you would change a menu item or just adding a new menu item. Let's say you want to remove it. Is also easy to do. You just, because this is 91 now, so you just hit the delete button and menu update, and it will confirm you that item has been removed. So next time when you reboot the system, the open item will be gone. So that's very easy to add an item and you know, change the price and stuff like that. Let me change it back to 1. Okay, so the other function is the combo, which I'm going to show it to you later, and this is the option. So this is the option table, and it will be used at the lunch or like a combination type of thing. So if you look at lunch, so let's say the L1 here, it will ask you for some options. So for this particular one, it has like a chicken or tofu option. So you have to select either one. So you select that, and that will go into the second option. We will ask you this, and then you have to select this again. And then it will go into the third option, and you have to select either one of those. So these are the options. It will show it up for the for this item. So basically, you have to type in this option, and for that particular item, you will pick the option from this table, which I'm going to show it to you later when I'm doing the combination. So again, this is the full text, and this is like a short text, and this is the Chinese. So this is the modify table. So remember we have like a modify menu here, so you can modify the stuff here. So these items are based on this table here. So item 1 has like the oil, salt, sugar, spicy, and then that goes to here. So these are all user programmable, so you can add another item here and it will show up here at the modify menu, or you can remove it and it will remove it here too. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So this is corresponding to modify table 1, 2, and 3. So the way I lay it out is the first one is for the spices, and the second one is corresponding to the the veggie, and like the third one will be like the meat item. So this is user programmable. So for the combo item is the most tricky one. So you go into the model combo menu here. So first you can display all items in the menu. So these are all everything in the menu system, and this is display all the items with the combo items. So let's say this is the beef salad, right? And you can see what it is. So for the beef salad, it has option 1, which is small, large, and cancel. Let me show you the L1 that we just looked at. So this is L1, and you can see what that is. So remember the L1, it will ask you for chicken, tofu, or cancel, which is from this option pricing table here. You see that, and this is the second level menu or second level option. It will show you this, and this is corresponding to here, and this is the third one. So anytime you can modify it, you can modify the pricing here and modify the option here. So let me show you how to do it. So let's say I want to create a new item with the option. So let's say I make the Thai iced tea. So let me show you order Thai iced tea and see what happens. You go to drink Thai iced tea. So it will show up at $2.95 with no option at all because it has no option. So let's say I want to modify this item. So I will clear all these, and I want to add it as the first option. I want to make it large or small. Small. You can add any option that you want, but you know, it just has to make sense. I mean, you wouldn't add like a, you know, like kitchen item, like, you know, like, or maybe sugar, you know, you want extra sugar or something. That might make sense, but like, you know, you don't want to add the spicy. But if you add the spicy, it will show up at the option menu when you do the ordering. So maybe you don't want that, you just want to remove that. I like to always add cancel, so that basically you can get out. So the cancel will add like and at any level it will just get out. So maybe the large one you want to charge a dollar more. So this is like the base price. So the small one will just take this plus this with this price. So for the small one it's $2.95. So for the large one it will be this one, the base price plus whatever option here. So you can just do a save. Let me reboot the system here and do the Thai iced tea and see what happens. So you can see that, you know, that one is $2.95, this one is $3.95. So that's how the combination item works, and the user just can program whatever the user wants to do. So I think the user is capable to do that, and no need to call for support. So you want to change an item like this, you can modify this. Let's say you want to remove this option, then you can just go to, like, this is I think this is the meat item at option 1. So let's say you want to remove the chicken, so you can just remove that. This is not the chicken in the kitchen item. I think this is at the option. Yeah, it's in the option, it's not. So you have to find the right item from the menu to put it to the option. So the option has chicken and the menu has chicken too, so you just have to pick the right one. And like for this, the base price is 0, so you just add on, like this one is $9.50. It's very simple to add an order and modify an order. So this is the combo, and this is just the version number that I built, and you know, my email address. And these are the functions for me to use, and the user should stay away from it. So I can show you, but this is basically, this is the but this is the setting for the system. So these are like the IP address for the printer, which I need to set it up. And just don't do anything with the database. So I think that's about it. It covers everything with the system. Thank you.